Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're staring at that frustrating E33 error code on your Bosch dishwasher, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down what this error means, why it's happening, and how to fix it step by step. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to save on repair costs, this guide is tailored for 2025 models, so let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is the E33 error? In Bosch dishwashers, E33 typically indicates a water intake issue. This means your machine isn't getting the water it needs to fill up properly. It could be something simple or a bit more involved, but the good news is that most causes are fixable at home. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One major culprit is a blocked or kinked water supply hose. If the hose is bent or clogged, water can't flow freely. Another possibility is low water pressure in your home, maybe from a faulty main valve or issues with your plumbing. Additionally, a dirty filter or inlet valve could be the problem. Over time, mineral buildup or debris can obstruct these parts, especially if you live in an area with hard water. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by unplugging your dishwasher and turning off the water supply for safety. First, check the water inlet hose, make sure it's straight, not kinked, and connected securely. If it looks good, inspect and clean the filter. Most Bosch models have a filter at the bottom. Remove it, rinse it under warm water, and put it back. Next, test your home's water pressure by running a faucet. If it's low, you might need to contact a plumber. If these don't work, the inlet valve might be faulty. It's a bit more advanced, so consider using a multimeter to check for continuity or call a professional. One more thing. Always refer to your dishwasher's manual for your specific model, as slight variations can occur. By following these steps, you should resolve the E33 error and get your dishwasher running smoothly again. If you're still stuck, it's okay to seek help from a certified technician to avoid any risks. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. What other appliance issues are you facing? See you next time.